Welcome to the realm of Apex, Salesforce's robust, strongly typed programming language designed for the multi-tenant architecture. In this journey, we'll explore how Apex empowers developers to automate intricate back-end business processes, seamlessly integrating with Salesforce data. Apex isn't just a programming language, it's a key to unlocking the potential of your Salesforce applications. Let's dive into its core characteristics. Strongly typed. Discover the advantages of a strongly typed language, ensuring robustness and reliability in your code. Object-oriented paradigm. Uncover how Apex's object-oriented nature simplifies complex business logic, making it more intuitive and scalable. Optimized for multi-tenancy. Delve into the intricacies of how Apex thrives in Salesforce's multi-tenant architecture, optimizing performance across diverse environments. Apex isn't just about syntax, it's about efficiency. Learn how your Apex code transforms into Java bytecode, ensuring seamless execution within the Salesforce environment. Apex is your gateway to the Salesforce data universe. Let's explore how. SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language. Draw parallels with SQL as we unravel the capabilities of SOQL, tailor-made for interacting with Salesforce objects. DML, Data Manipulation Language. Master the art of executing DML statements, sculpting the database operations for the objects you meticulously created. As we conclude this exploration into the world of Apex, remember, it's not just about writing code. It's about sculpting intelligent business logic that transforms your Salesforce applications. From its strongly typed nature to seamless interaction with Salesforce data, Apex is your tool to elevate your business processes. In Visual Studio Code, under Force App Main Default, right-click Classes and select SFDX Create Apex Class. In the Visual Studio Code command palette, name the class House Service. Create a function that returns a list of object records. You can use the try-catch function to avoid unhandled actions. Save this file to ensure your changes are preserved. Right-click houseservice.cls and select SFDX Deploy Source to Org. You'll see a confirmation message that the Apex class successfully deployed to the org. Create a new file named dreamhouseapp.apex in the scripts Apex folder. Replace the contents of the file with the code system.debug houseservice.getRecords here. Click Code Lens Execute Anonymous Apex. If the Apex class you've written is functional, you see the query results in the output panel. Apex is opinionated, tightly coupled, and optimized to work with business apps that work well with Salesforce. It fails quickly at compile time if any references are invalid. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.